Hello, Professor Nishant. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah. We are going to start within a minute, sir. Eh?
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen in full screen?
Sir, we want to do your audio check. So can you speak something?
Yeah. Can you hear me well?
Yeah. Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. And the screen is in full screen mode, right?
Yeah. थोड़ा आवाज कम करना।
Good evening, respected dignitaries, distinguished speakers, dedicated faculties, and our brilliant researchers. Over the past 2 days, we have journeyed through the absolute frontiers of technology, from the intricacies of nanoscale VLSI circuits and quantum computing to the expansive possibilities of AI and 6G networks. We have witnessed rigorous academic debate, sharing groundbreaking ideas, and celebrated the spirit of engineering. Welcome to the culminating event of IECS 2026, the Valedictory session.
To deliver our valedictory talk and help us reflect on the profound knowledge shared during the conference, it is our distinct honor to welcome Dr. Nishant Saxena as our valedictory speaker. I would like to request Dr. Ankur Beor sir to kindly introduce our respected valedictory speaker, Dr. Nishant Saxena, to our attendees.
Yeah. Thank you. So, thank you everyone. Also, all participants, session chairs, students, volunteers. So it's my great pleasure to introduce our esteemed valedictory speaker, Dr. Nishant Saxena, who is joining us virtually from the United Kingdom. Dr. Saxena is a professor in microelectronics at Liverpool John Maurus University.
Thank you so much,
doctorate
Dr.
from IIT Indore and postdoctorate from IIT Madras. And the University of Munster, Germany, he also did some postdoctorate, another work. So his research focus basically on non-electronic semiconductor devices, particularly the area of memory technologies and future computing system. He has numerous number of publications, conferences here. Dr. Saxena has made a significant contributions to the field of microelectronics. Now we are delighted to have
topic
with us
for my
today.
talk.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please join and extending a warm welcome to Dr. Nishant for his standing delivering their valedictory address. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Ankur. Thank you so much for inviting me for this talk. My name is Dr. Nishant Saxena. I work in Liverpool John Moores University in the UK. So today's talk is on memory technology for the AI era, from fundamentals to future intelligence. Let's go through when we talk or when we think about AI, we usually think about the algorithms, GPUs, or maybe generative AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. But I believe very few people think immediately about memory. But let's look at what's happening over the last decade. AI models have grown from millions to billions and trillions of parameters. Along with that, the amount of computation needed to train these models have exploded. If you see in the right-hand side figure here, when we talk about the larger models, we naturally think that we need more computation, right? Over the number of enhancements in the GPT models, now there is naturally requirement to have very large amount of data storage. But there is another question that we should ask, whether it is all this, where this all data is recorded, right? And how to keep supplying this data to the processor. After all, a processor can only work on the data which is supplied to it, right? Which reaches to it. So while processors perform computation, memory is responsible for delivering the data that makes those computations possible. So this brings us to the central theme of this talk. Why has memory become such a critical technology in the AI era, right? So why does memory matter in AI? Let's take a very simple example. Whether you are training on AI model or using it for inference, the process is essentially the same. Data is fetched from memory, computations are performed, and results are written back to the memory. And these cycles repeats. So the processor may be brain of the system, but memory is where the knowledge comes from. Now, when we talk about memory, three things becomes important. First, how much information can be stored?